Study based on today's lesson, 7th of August 2026. I am so victorious on the nature. Experience this by becoming set in the spiritual intoxication of a deep and powerful study of being merciful and the aura of spirituality, of being humble and selfless, and the authority having control over nature. Become seated in an extremely comfortable, peaceful, and stable position. Straighten your back. Take a long and deep breath. And as you exhale, withdraw from your mind all the attitudes, the outside world, the upheavals, the body consciousness, the attractions of nature, and focus your attention at the center of your forehead. I am not this destroyable body made up of 5 elements. I am a conscious, divine, and master almighty point form of light, the soul that runs this chariot of the body. Bapdada, through his complete stage, has given me this great blessing of being a master of nature and finishing all types of dependencies. By sitting in front of the Son of Knowledge, Shiv Baba himself, I am experiencing the spirituality, the mercifulness, and all the qualities being absorbed inside me. By embodying these qualities, my all type of thought, time, and also the breath is getting succeeded, and by becoming free from all the dependencies, I am becoming set in my stage of being immovable, victorious. I'm absolutely peaceful, stable, and becoming set in a capable stage. I'm experiencing with a lot of depth that just as the tree filled with a lot of fruits is bent in itself, similarly I, the soul, complete with the knowledge of the Supreme Soul, the qualities, the embodiments and the attainments, as much as I become fuller inside me, the spiritual humility, sacrifice, and ultimate freedom starts increasing. Instead of focusing on outside situations or changes in the nature, I am doing the subtle checking of my internal stage. By becoming seated on the seat of self-awareness and journey, and on self-reflections, I looking at my nature and attitudes. With this spiritual checking, the true aura which is inside I, the soul, and the quality of mercifulness towards others is being awakened. The spiritual aura is making me fearless and immovable and unshakable from all type of upheavals, fear, like a true benefactor and someone who serves the others. even more than myself. I am thinking about the benefit and affecting others in a correct manner. When my attitude gets filled with selfless service and love of the Supreme Soul, then the bondage of dependency automatically gets cut. The Almighty Supreme Soul, Supreme Father, is a store of endless qualities, and I, being his actual child, the Master Almighty Soul, I have received all the authority and become complete with all the attainments. This authority of mine keeps me free from all types of dependency, whether it is mental, physical, or on the nature. I am complete with godly authority and a great soul. By becoming a detached observer, I am looking at the 5 elements of nature: the earth, water, wind, fire, and sky. Any element of nature or any scene or upheaval now cannot attract me. I am not a soul who gets dependent on anyone or any matter or a situation. By becoming set in the ultimate elevated stage of mastery, I am watering all the powers and becoming embodiment of all the attainments and ordering this to all the 5 elements of nature. Through I, the soul, the master of nature, my every thought is giving purity and peace to all the elements of nature. The nature has become my servant, and respecting the code of conduct which is godly. This is my true form of being complete as a master of nature and being immovable. Now become firmly seated on your almighty, immovable, and unshakable, free from dependency, and a conqueror, that is a master of nature seat. Look at the globe of the entire world in form of light you. There are crores of souls today in this world that are stuck in this vicious cycle of problems, dependency of body consciousness, vices, and peacelessness, and are crying for help. Through I, the soul, master of nature, master almighty soul, from the center of my forehead, beautiful and strong, golden white rays of endless peace, ultimate purity, the spiritual aura, and all the powers of being a master of nature in form of a great searchlight is constantly emanating. these beneficial rays by spreading in the atmosphere of the entire world is calming the vicious form and the impure form of nature. These rays are making the souls caught in dependency free from it and giving them internal might, spiritual freedom, and making them experience spiritual form of authority in all four directions. The atmosphere of godly actualization and purification of the nature is taking place. Oh, my sweet beloved Father, multi-manifold of thank you to you. You have taught me the lesson of spirituality, aura, and mercifulness, and made all souls free from those dependency and a master of nature. For the entire day, I will remain set in this spiritual grandeur and the stage of being a master. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.